Let's start with using a table outside. I've been contacted by people who are either dropping them the magazine or the gun on the ground trying to work the feeder. And so this is technically a little plastic table. You don't sit on it, but you can use a lawn chair, upside down bucket, anything you can think of, so you can set the gun down and practice changing out magazines. Now you'll see an extra magazine here, and that makes it fun, and we're going to focus on that. Daisy is now selling those online, so that just makes it great to practice changing out magazines. So let's go take a look at that. And remember, this is a basic little piece of plastic here, and it doesn't cost that much. But yeah, just get a little table, and you won't have to worry about dropping your gun. Okay, so let's take a look at the extra magazine angle. Now, because I preach only keeping 6 to 7 BBs in here at a time when you load the feeder, meaning when you see 3 BBs under here, that's 6. If you see 4, that's 7. This is interesting. This is an old magazine from a broken 340. And I used a paint pen to mark it, so I know this is the old one. And I actually have 1,000 BBs through that retainer right there. And it's with the Umarex BBs you see in back, no jams. So I was really impressed because this thing's all loaded up with those Umarexes, and I was prepared to take them right back out if this old magazine was jamming. It's not jamming, no modifications. So the thing about the Daisy 340, the DX17 is fun. I like it, but you don't get that exercise of changing out magazines. The nice thing about this, it does give you that exercise and is more fun because if you're only shooting 6 or 7 through the feeder, it gives you anywhere between, if you have 2 magazines, 12 to 14 shots. So ordering these from Daisy, they're $2, and I definitely will link for you to their site. I would go ahead and order 2, so you'd have 3, and that's going to be anywhere between 18 to 21 shots before you have to reload the feeder. And it makes it a lot of fun, and yeah, it just makes the experience a little bit more to look forward to. And so that's that. And again, I have the Umarex BBs on deck here because they just have been performing very well in this Daisy. And I think Daisy would care first and foremost that their gun, they make their money on the guns, that the gun itself is performing well. And yeah, so please consider getting some more magazines. They really make this easier and more enjoyable. All right, thank you.